Gene Simmons says Kanye West deserves slap for attacking Kim and Pete. Gene Simmons staying in the mix.
Yeah.
On social media, he was doing crypto. I feel like I remember him doing Doge stuff, and I guess somebody asked him about this situation with Kanye and Kim and Pete Davidson, especially after that weird music video from the other day. And so he's got an opinion. What does he say? Well,
he's pretty eloquent. He kind of tells Kanye that he's talented, but he needs a slapping for just doing some stupid stuff with Pete Davidson.
He's out of his mind.
Would he be considered? Would this be considered? People are sort of laughing at it and encouraging it.
This is your wife, somebody.
Ex-wife now.
Mother of your children.
Yeah. Would this go over well if he wasn't the celebrity?
It's not childish. There's something clinically wrong with it.
Clinically wrong. I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is a psychological problem.
Do you think Kim and Pete need to file a restraining order against Kanye?
You don't need to do that.
Yeah.
Pete's
just a slap.
Cool guy, takes the high road, and just ignore it.
You just ignore it?
Yeah. You know, at a certain point, if everybody misbehaves, a good bitch slap.
Oh,
sorry, I didn't realize I was such an asshole.
Is that what Kanye needs?
Are you going to do it?
No.
Yeah. That's possibly.
Yeah.
I don't think that's going to work.
No.
That's not, I don't think that's the best advice. I don't think it's going to work, Mo.
No, a slap is not going to it's not going to help, I don't think.
This thing is quite tangled up here. And I don't know that there's any simple or immediate solution as far as that conflict is concerned.
No. But it was interesting that he was like kind of taking the side of like, okay, there's something bigger. There's a bigger issue here. Kanye's.
Yeah, well, he did that at first, and he's like, you know what? Forget all that.
Well, this is
it's like, I think we need to be aware this person is struggling and has some issues and really needs some serious help. And we're talking clinically. And he's like, upon further thought, you ever imagine just a good bitch slap is gonna be the one to do it? That'll sort it out.
Yeah,
it's kind of weird to watch that transition take place in a short clip.
He was going so well.
But it's also weird because you get approached by this TMZ person and they start asking you questions and I don't know, he's on the patio drinking a cappuccino and you got to kind of, I mean, I guess you agree to talk to them, but it's got to be kind of awkward anyway.
Yeah. And then I guess Pete Davidson, he's not really going to war with Kanye. He's kind of just hush-hush.
My understanding, he tried to text him and say, hey, man, let's not do all this.
Yeah.
And it didn't go over well.
I guess that's what you do. He's taking the high road at the very least.
I don't even know if that's what you do. It may enrage even more. You might just shut up and not even message anything.
Sure. Yeah. But he's not like going to war with him.
No, he's not retaliating.